My name is Bill Reichel. I'm from Ashburn, Virginia, and that's where I'm talking to you from. We're in my refurbished bathroom, renovated bathroom that NV Kitchen and Bath did. So I'd just like to share with you kind of our journey. My wife Annie and myself probably 2 years ago started to think about this. Most people would say, gosh, why are you going to spend that money to renovate a bathroom? We not only did the master bath, we did our hallway bath or our guest bath. Why are you doing that? And we said, well, most people renovate things when they're moving. Someone else will enjoy it. So I said, why don't we take the time to renovate bathrooms so that we can enjoy it? So we started that process about 2 years ago, and then the virus hit. I was getting a phone fixed at Verizon, and I happened to be walking to the parking lot, and I see NV Kitchen and Bath. They had just opened up their store in Ashburn, right across from Wegmans. So I went in there, I met Mike, the CEO of the company, and Sean, started looking around and made an appointment for the next Saturday. My wife was questioning my sanity, like, what are we doing? Why are we doing it? And I said, well, a designer by the name of Moogie is going to come out and she's going to meet with us. And I would have to say, after all this, what was the driving influence is that my wife felt comfortable. Because, you know, I could have any bath, I could have any shower, any toilet, but I really wanted my wife to be pleased. And when Moogie came, my wife and Moogie just connected. And that was really comforting. They spent a lot of time together. They wanted to get my input, and I said, listen, if she's happy, I'm happy. Happy wife, happy life. So I really appreciate just the time that Moogie spent with us. To actually go through things. We actually didn't know what we wanted, how we wanted it, but there were items at the store at NV Kitchen and Bath that we could look at, touch, feel. They put together a 3D presentation for us, and we just really felt comfortable with that. Now, I will say, if you're thinking about doing your bath or your kitchen, it's something that you need to think about. And even though we had talked to other people, we just felt comfortable with Sean and Moogie. So we decided to go with them, and my wife is very persnickety. She's very organized. She's just the side of a germaphobe. But the thing that she remarked is when they came over to start working, that the guys not only put down drop cloths through the entire hallway, they put down, I don't know what it's called, construction paper, and taped it down. We had actually cordoned off some of the bedroom, so we had plastic over it. You know, we're kind of protected, but they came in and put up more plastic, and we really appreciate it. Every day that the guys left, they cleaned up. They actually took the paper, they took the drop cloths out, they swept up and left. So that happened for 3 weeks, and we just really appreciate that. I'd have to say that it went absolutely smoothly and nothing changed, but that wouldn't be the truth. If it could possibly go wrong, it could go wrong when you're thinking about renovating your bathrooms. Because you change your mind, you don't think that looks good, you want something different. And NV Kitchen and Bath was just awesome with us to be flexible, to work with us. Sean was very gracious in the way that he handled some of the things that got changed, and we really appreciate that. We cannot tell you how much we love these bathrooms. I was telling Moogie that sometime during the day, because I'm working still from home, that I'll just come up and just walk through the bathroom, just to be calm, the guys did a great job, and we really appreciate that. So it was truly worth the investment for us.